Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Rocket in Plants vs. Brainrots game Rocket event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this event, you need to find and hit the Rocket with bat. Okay, and to find the Rocket, I recommend you to play the game in your private servers. It will be easier for you to find the rocket because the rocket will spawn everywhere on the map. It can be in your garden or another player's garden. For example, this one, I need to go to another player's garden to find the rocket. Okay, and after you find the rocket, you can use your bat and just hit the rocket like this. Okay, and it will give you points. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and also this one, so it will be easier for you guys if you play in your private server, just like this. Wait, okay, done. And yeah, that's how you can find the Rocket in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox Rocket event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!